Everyone knows getting off of the floor is the hardest part of the deadlift. However, what most people don't realize is that it's a lack of hip flexion strength and mobility that makes getting off the floor so brutal. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how to make your setup a position of strength, not weakness, so that the bar flies off of the floor with ease. Hey guys, Coach Pippin here, and over the last 15 years, I've helped over 1,000 professional, collegiate, and everyday athletes move, feel, and perform at their highest level. And today, I'm going to show you how to increase your strength off of the floor. If you want to produce more force off the floor, you must make the bottom of the deadlift more comfortable. Now, your eyes shouldn't be popping out of your head just to get your hips down. So how do we make this position more comfortable? We strengthen those hip flexors with isometrics. Now, by making your hip flexors stronger, specifically in a shortened state, so like when my knee is close to my chest here, you'll be able to pull yourself down into your initial setup with ease. And if you're comfortable here, you'll be able to produce more force because you won't be wasting so much energy getting down there. Now, the only equipment you're going to need is something the size of this toothbrush holder. Now, items that work are like thick magic markers, those like massage rolling sticks, basically anything that's around 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in diameter. Now to set up, we're going to lay on our back, and we're going to place this object parallel to your spine, right around belly button height. Now this setup, it teaches us how to dissociate the lower back from the hip. And if you can't get your knees toward your chest without your lower back rounding underneath you, you're going to have a brutal time in the bottom of the deadlift. And during the drill, the object will essentially block our lumbar spine from flexing, ensuring we're keeping that neutral spine. Now we're going to attack each leg individually. So to start, like I said, we're going to lay flat on our back. We're going to take our object and we're going to put it right behind our belly button. So from here, I want to keep my knees bent, and I'm just going to let my body kind of relax. So you should have a small gap in your lower back. So like doing those dead bugs where we're always crushing our lower back in the ground, that's great and all, those are great for making your abs, but it doesn't teach us how to dissociate hips from spine, and that's what we need to do. If you've ever seen somebody squatting or even in the bottom of the deadlift where they're doing that butt wink, that's what we got to get rid of. That is not an optimal position. That leads to a lot of bad problems, and we're trying to eliminate that. So from here, I still have it below my belly button, and I'm going to keep my hands on my ribs. I'm going to push my lower back into that stick so I feel about 1 pound of pressure on it. I don't want 5 pounds, I don't want 50 pounds, I want 1 pound. So it's like I'm barely touching it, and I want to maintain that throughout the duration of these drills. So the whole point is I don't want my spine to crush or come off of the stick. From here, I'm going to take my right knee and I'm going to slowly pull it as close to my chest as possible. You can go a little out to the side if you'd like, but I'm trying to get as close to here as possible, but without increasing that tension on the stick. Because if I pull all the way here, my back instantly crushes it, and that's not what I want. I want to see how far I can get my knee toward my chest without increasing the tension on the stick. I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to put it just below my kneecap, and now we're going to do our isometrics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive my knee up into my hand, and my hand down into my knee, and we're going to go for 10 seconds, relax, 10 seconds, relax, and then 10 seconds, so 3 by 10. And here we go. Maintain that 1 pound of pressure. Crush your hand into your knee into your hand, and begin. 10, 9, 8. You should feel this line of tissue right here lighting up instantly. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Don't move, just relax the tension. Reestablish that 1 pound of pressure on the stick. Now crush your knee into your hand into your knee for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax a second, don't move. Repeat, 1 more pound of pressure on that stick. Drive the knee into the hand in the knee, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. You should instantly feel this range right here. If that gets stronger, that's what's going to be able to allow you to pull yourself deeper into that deadlift with control and ease, which obviously is going to allow you to produce more force production. So we're going to do the left leg now. So it's the same exact thing, 1 pound of pressure. See how close I can get my knee? And you'll notice I get my knee a little bit closer on my left side than my right. My left side is just way better on everything. So this is where I'm going to want to do my contraction. I don't want to do it down here because that's defeating the purpose. I want to get stronger at my end range, and so that's where we're going to go to work. So once again, find your end range. Don't kill that stick, only 1 pound of pressure. Left hand just below the kneecap, and once again, 3 by 10. Here we go, 10, 9, crushing down and crushing up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax, don't move. 1 pound of pressure, and crush. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax a sec. Last one, here we go. 10, 9, stay at that end range. That's where you're gonna get this almost like a cramp feeling. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Now, for the first week, I would suggest doing this exercise about 3 times per week, preferably on your lower body lifting days and right before you deadlift. Now start with 1 round of 3 by 10 seconds on each leg, just like we just did. And then week 2, you're gonna perform 2 rounds for each leg. And from there, you can start to increase your contraction time. So instead of that 10, now we go up to 15, then we go to 20, 25, and lastly 30 seconds. Remember, you have to keep doing it at your end range of motion to get the best results. And so once you've tried today's exercise, comment below to let me know how it went. And we've got a ton of content coming out weekly for you guys to help you be strong, be mobile. If you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe and turn on any notifications. We'll see you next time.